These are the hidden channels that have gone completely viral on the algorithm with just a few video uploads. The biggest secret behind their viral success is that this content is watched by every single age group. The market competition is virtually non-existent, and it belongs to a pure evergreen niche. The best part? You can make these videos completely for free, and a standard length video only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to complete. First, let me show you some proof so you can see the massive scale of views this niche gets. Check out this first channel. Its popular video uploaded just 2 weeks ago already has over 350,000 views. You can look at their other videos as well. The views are consistently high. Now look at this second channel called M-Quiz. This channel only has 13 videos uploaded, yet they have already crossed 8,000 subscribers. If you analyze the views on their most popular video, you can easily estimate that they are making thousands of dollars every month. So don't worry, this is incredibly easy to build, and the chances of going viral are incredibly high. Now let's get to the main point. How is this content actually made? First, you need to open Gemini AI. Gemini works exactly like ChatGPT or Claude AI. Just follow me step by step and everything will make perfect sense. First, you need to copy this master prompt. I will drop the link for it in the description and the pinned comment. Paste it directly into Gemini and hit enter. Now, the AI will ask you how many puzzles or quizzes you want to generate. Type in whatever number you need. For this example, I want to generate 6 puzzles. Look at that! It has written a flawless script for 6 puzzles, completely ready for the voiceover. Copy this entire script. Next, search for Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech on Google and click the first link. Once the dashboard opens, you will see a variety of premium voice styles. You can choose any style you like. I am selecting the game show host here. After that, paste your copied script into the speaker box. On the right side, you can adjust the speaker settings to choose your preferred voice character. However, to make the voiceover sound completely natural, you can input custom voice instructions here. To do this, go back to Gemini, copy the custom voice instructions written below the script, paste them into the sample context box in AI Studio, and click Run. Within a few seconds, your professional voiceover will be generated. Now, return to Gemini and tell the AI that you need the image prompts for these puzzles. Simply type yes. The AI will write exact matching image prompts that correspond perfectly with your script. Once the prompts are ready, open a new tab and go to your AI image generator. If it's your first time, log in with your Google email and start a new project. In the settings, select Image instead of Video, and choose the 16:9 ratio for long-form videos. Select 2 images instead of 4. The benefit of this is that it saves your time and generation credits, and you can easily choose the best one out of the 2. Now, copy each image prompt from Gemini, paste it here, and hit enter. Within seconds, your images will be generated. I'll quickly convert all the remaining prompts. Finally, our premium voiceover and images are ready. Now all that's left is the final editing, which you can do in any software. I use Adobe Premiere Pro, but you can use whatever software you are comfortable with. I have imported the audio and all the images onto the timeline, but before we proceed, do one small thing. Go to YouTube. Search for 5-second countdown green screen and download it. Now, inside your editing software, first bring the audio onto the timeline. Listen to the audio track and place the relevant images alongside it. At the exact frame where the answer is revealed in the audio, make a cut on the timeline and place the countdown green screen video on top. To remove the green screen, go to your effects panel, apply the Ultra Key effect, and clear out the background. After that, when the voiceover announces the correct option, A, B, C, or D, use keyframes to slightly zoom in or animate the image. Repeat this exact step for all the remaining puzzles. We are doing this bit of manual editing intentionally to ensure that YouTube never flags the video as low effort or unoriginal content, making sure your channel gets approved for monetization on the very first attempt.
If you've watched the video up to this point and are learning something valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now take a look at the screen to see the final clip I have created for you.
Puzzle number 1. Who is the thief? 3 people are sitting at a bakery table, but one of them just stole a fresh strawberry cupcake from the display counter. Look closely at their hands and faces. Who is the thief? The answer is C. Person C has pink icing stains on their fingers and a small crumb on their chin. Puzzle number 2. Which path is safe? A hiker is trapped and must choose one of 3 paths to escape the forest. Path A has a swarm of angry bees guarding a hive. Path B has a deep, rushing river with no bridge. Path C has a sleepy grizzly bear resting next to an empty food wrapper. Which path is safe? The answer is C. Path C is safe because the grizzly bear is already asleep and full, while the other paths present active, unavoidable dangers. Puzzle number 3. Who is the fake doctor?